My name is Allie and I have a sweet tooth, probably the biggest sweet tooth in New York City. So when I heard that the Loyal was doing a personalized sundae bar that they bring to your table on a silver platter, I knew I had to check it out.
Who's the restaurant owner and partner at the Loyal. His first job in the restaurant industry was at an ice cream parlor, so we thought it would be really fun to bring that kind of full circle and have the Sundae option here.
It tastes so good because the ice cream's homemade, the popcorn's homemade, the creme brulee. I mean, it all tastes really like delicious. And
yeah, you can tell there's a lot of care that goes into this sundae.
It's meant to be a fun, do-it-yourself, shareable item that the whole table can partake in.
it tastes better knowing we had a part in the creation, doesn't it?